traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. So now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 12th of January 2021 and currently time is 9:45 AM. So traders, coming on to our today's trade, I have taken a trade today in HDFC Bank. You can see here traders, and this is it. So again, same strategy for the breakout, but it is not showing some good momentum traders, so we are waiting, and this is near to our cost price traders, and this is our target, and here is our stop loss. Okay traders, so our stop loss has been placed at the swing low, you can see here. Okay traders, so we are using 1 minute time frame, and this is the trade which is going on. And traders, I have taken 10 quantities for this trade by maintaining our maximum loss of 50 rupees, and let's see now what happens. So it is now near our cost price, and when it will show some momentum I will update you. So now I am pausing the video. So traders, here you can see that we are very near to our target, but now what happens here? Psychology plays a big role over here. If you can understand traders, now for me emotions are like, now I should exit the trade because I have gained some profit and I should book the profit at market to prevent my this profit only. So these kind of emotions try to capture us. But what I am thinking, that I should wait till my target is achieved, because being a trader, our target should be achieved. It is not the thing that we are gaining some profit or big profit. If our target is achieving, then our setup was good. So now I am waiting, and if a big volume comes here, then I will exit at market price. So let's see. Now it is time to come again downside. So this is what happens, and this is how psychology and emotions tries to capture us. But traders, let me tell you, what I have did is that I have drilled my stop loss to our cost price, that is over here. So I have no worries about anything, because if I am not getting, no problem at all, because no problem, we are not getting any kind of loss also. So I have trailed my stop loss to my cost price. So if it tries to come downside or reverses, we will exit at our cost price only. So need not to worry about anything, and let the trade continue. Okay traders, so I am again pausing the video, and when I will exit or anything happens, I will update you. So traders, here you can see that our trailed stop loss was got triggered here, and we have to book. So today's trade became no profit no loss, and we exited at our cost price. Let me show you the terminal on which I trade. So here it is. You can see it is showing a profit of 3.5 rupees. Okay traders, so no problem, exited at cost price. You can see today I only took a trade in HDFC Bank, and now quantity is 0 as I have exited my trade. Okay traders, so that's totally fine for us. But you can see traders from today that how market plays with our emotions. We were very near to our target. I can book the profit, but what happened? I was strictly setting for my target only, so we was not able to book any profit. So no problem traders, I will not break my rules of my trading setup, and let the thing happens, and by that only we have not gained any kind of loss, and we exited at cost price only. So no worries about that also. So traders, this was our today's trading video. Hope you learned something from it and enjoyed the video. So thank you for watching the video, and have a good day.